Okay, this is going to be the 5th and final video in our mini marathon here. I'm calling Subscription Box Saturday here on December the 4th, 2021. This is going to be Battlebox Mission 81. I hope you enjoy it. Well, it's Battlebox time again. This time it's Mission 81, and it's a little box. They say sometimes good things come in small packages. We're going to find out coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me here for another look at an example of what you might expect if you decide to explore the Battlebox subscription box service. If you're not familiar with Battlebox, they are a monthly subscription service that has 4 different levels. At each level, you pay a little more money and you get a little more stuff. They've been sending me these boxes every month for, gosh, several years now. And what that's allowed us to do is create kind of a library of content that you can look at and kind of get some examples of what you might could expect from the Battlebox folks if you decide to check them out. If you do decide to check them out, you save 15% on your first box by using the coupon code Survival on Purpose, all one word, at checkout. So anyway, without further ado, let's take a look and see what is in Mission 81. And we're just gonna move this one over here. First of all, as always, there's a nice little brochure in here, the mission brief that tells you what's in here and gives you what's kind of the prices and all that. And also it's got some cool little survival key stuff in here. You can scan this little QR code for some survival tips and stuff like that. So let's see what's in this month. So first of all, the first level is the basic level. It's the least expensive level. And let's see what all is in here. So this is let's see, Save Aqua Tap with Spigot Adapter. So this is just a little tap. You can basically put this, you drill a hole in a bucket, you can put this in a bucket and make a spigot out of it. So you can use it in a milk jug or anything like that. So you can use it to wash your hands, or be able to have a kind of a faucet in the wild, so to speak. So just fill up any kind of a plastic bucket, you pop a hole in there, and there you go. It's even got a hose adapter on it. You can make a flexible shower with it. So $14.97 on this. Pretty cool idea in my opinion. Because it beats the heck out of trying to pour water out and wash your hands. Because if you got 2 hands to wash and 1 hand to hold something, it's hard to do that. So anyway, it's be great for camping or for survival. Next in the basic box is this First Line gun oil pen, which is pretty cool. It's a CLP oil applicator, $12. All right, so it just pops off. Yeah, it's got a little pen. You dab it, and it's like almost like a brush here. So you can get just the amount of oil you need just where you need it. That's pretty cool. And this has a $12 value, like I said. So there's that. Next item is, what is this? This is the Duraderm Sport. This is a skin repair product. It is made and manufactured 100% in the USA, veteran owned. And it's basically a liquid bandage, FDA cleared liquid bandage that kills viruses, fungus, and bacteria on contact, seals and protects the wound, and promotes faster healing. So I think it's kind of like a much better than super glue. And it just you just hold it, push it down, and squeeze it, and it seals it. That's pretty cool, actually. I like that. That's a great thing for a first aid kit. $12 for that. So that is the basic box. The next level is the advanced box. At the advanced box, you get everything in the basic plus some more stuff. So let's see what the more stuff is this time. A couple of other pretty cool things. First is a Rapid Pure Pioneer straw. And this is just a straw type. So I can open this bag up. I don't know why I have such trouble with these Ziploc bags lately. Okay, there we go. Comes a nice little bag here to keep it clean. And it's just a more than a filter. Pioneer removes over 99.99% of viruses, bacteria, parasites, sediment, and more. And you just basically stick this on here like this. You stick the thing on the thing and stick this, take the plastic seal off of here. You got to unscrew that out of there. It's got a little filter there, and we're not going to take it off now. It pops in, and you drop this in, and you drink out of it. So pretty cool there. And it's $30, $29.99. So it removes pathogens 100 times smaller than the traditional microfilters. So that's no, in other words, this is supposed to do a better job than like a Sawyer or a Life Straw. So that's pretty cool. And then along the lines of survival, this has got a lot of survival stuff in here. There is a really cool SOL emergency blanket, and this is just a pretty good sized little blanket. It's orange on one side and silver on the other, and it is the dimensions are 56 by 84 inches. So it seems like maybe it's a little bigger than those standard little survival blankets that you can get, but always good to have this one. It's $5. These are great things for survival kits or first aid kits, to be honest with you. A lot of uses for these. Signaling, keeping you warm, collecting water, all kinds of stuff. So there's that. That's everything in the advanced box. The next level is the Pro Box, and this one is also pretty cool. It's an LED Lenser ML6 750 lumen lantern. LED Lenser, by the way, makes some nice stuff. For real, they really do. So let's see how this battery goes in here. It comes with a battery, which is pretty cool. This is an 18650 battery. Yes, it is. If I can figure out how to open it up without tearing it up, because I'm pretty good at tearing stuff up, and I don't want to be the one to tear this up. I think this probably just unscrews. Does it unscrew? Yeah, okay. It's got a little USB charger to charge the battery. All right, so I guess you got to charge it. Little hook here. It's got a stand here that fits in. If you want it to fit in that stand, I think it does. Let's see. It fits in that stand. That stand's got a hook on it here. So you can hook it up like this and hang something else from it. Comes with a little carrying case and the charger cable. And like I said, I guess you got to charge it first, but not bad there. So that is a pretty cool little deal. And they're giving this a $79.99 value. And like I said, LED Lenser makes some good stuff. I was familiar with their stuff before. I've got one of their flashlights. It's a really good flashlight. So there's that, and that's the Pro Box. Finally, there's a Pro Plus box. And the Pro Plus box is usually some sort of a knife or blade. This month is no exception. It is the Revolt Reflex. We've looked at some Revolt knives on here before. And let's see if we can get this sucker out of here. Pretty cool little knives usually, and this is another example of a pretty cool knife. So this is a, okay, this is going to be something different. I got to figure out, I bet you. Let's see. Okay, check this out. This is so cool. So it's got a thumb stud on it, right? You can open it up, but when you do, this lock, look at that. It locks up and bam. And now it's... Oh, you snap that in. Oh, okay. Let me show you that again. You want a close-up? Okay, here's the close-up. I just want to show you this. So as the knife opens, watch this little bar right here. This little bar here, get in the camera, it comes over, and that little bar goes up, bam, and then the back of it here snaps up and locks. And then to unlock it, reach up, pull that down a little bit, and it folds right up. Pretty cool. That is the Revolt Reflex, $99.99 value, and that is Battlebox mission number 81. Thanks again to the folks at Battlebox for sending me these boxes every month so we can build this library of resources for you to check out and decide if you might want to explore Battlebox further. If you do, as a reminder, don't forget you can save 15% by using the coupon code SURVIVALONPURPOSE on your first box. Whew, okay, well that was the 5th and final video for our mini marathon series here. I think I named this one Subscription Box Saturday because just thought it'd be something a little different, and quite honestly it gave me a chance to catch up on some of this stuff and to get my schedule back on track because, as I said, I've been really busy lately, and I went on a 5-day elk hunt the week of Thanksgiving, and I'm not going to tell you if I got an elk yet. You have to stick around for the video about that, which is coming up soon within the next couple weeks for that one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's a little different, but hopefully it was, you know, sometimes it's good to mix things up. But anyway, next week we will be returning to our regularly scheduled programming, so to speak. So I really appreciate you watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival is not an accident, so be prepared. and I'll see you next time.